Hi, I'm Debbie Brown from DebbieBrownQuilts.com. I'm an Odif ambassador. In quilting, my specialty is machine quilting, so my introduction to the Odif family of products was 505. I use this stuff all the time, can after can. This is my absolute favorite product, and no other basting spray works for me. This is the only one I'll use. But they have a much larger line of products. I've been sewing at home a lot more in recent months and have been playing with some of their products. So I wanted to show you some things that I've learned. One product I wanted to talk about is OdiCoat. It is a gel coating to give an oilcloth effect, and it's waterproof and stain resistant on fabric. This sounded really interesting to me. Now, my mom uses a shower cap and complains that she can never find a nice one. So I thought I would try to waterproof some fabric and make her a shower cap. Today I am playing with OdiCoat gel coating oilcloth effect. I want to apply this coating to this piece of fabric to make a shower cap for my mom. I don't have any oilcloth. I don't have any waterproof fabric, so I wanted to see what this could do. It says to cover your surface, so I got a big cardboard box over my cutting table. And it said to use a spatula, which I don't have, but I do have some cardstock that I cut small. So I'm supposed to, by reading the directions, place fabric on a flat protected surface, protect it with parchment paper when ironing. It may be laundered in warm water after sealing. Wait till dry before applying additional coats. Okay. So that, I think the paper is not going to work. So I had a plan B ahead of time. I have a template. I manufacture these for postcards, so let's see if this works. That works. Let's get some more coating on here. And I don't need to get to the corners of this because I have to cut a circle out of the fabric. But I do want to get to the edges. So let me get all the way out here. Let's get some more. I'm really excited because there's often things I want to make with plastic coated fabric or protected fabric, but I don't have any. My local store doesn't carry any. My local quilt shop doesn't carry any. So this might be my answer. Okay. So I'm happy with this bottom corner. Let me flip it around. And apply more down here. Rest of this extra off of here. And I think that's fairly well coated. I'm now going to let this dry. What I learned about OdiCoat making this adorable little shower cap was that I scoop it out of the container using a business card. That was the best practice. I also found that you should start a project several days before you want to use it because I needed many coats. I used 3 different coats and it's supposed to dry up to 24 hours between each coat. Another thing I learned is that this makes your fabric shrink. So if you need 18 inches or 30 inches, however much fabric you need to have waterproofing on, cut a larger piece, apply your waterproofing, apply your OdiCoat, and it shrinks up a little bit. So be prepared for that. The next product I've been playing with is 606. I love 505, but what is 606? 606 is iron-on adhesive for fabric. So what can I do with that? As a machine quilter, I have a lot of batting. I have a lot of different types of batting. I have cotton and polyester and wool and silk, and I have high loft and low loft, and I have fusible on one side. I have fusible on 2 sides. And no matter how much batting I have, I never have the right one whenever I need it. I can make any batting, fusible batting, by using 606 spray. So if I want to iron this fabric onto the batting, just to make fusible batting, I'm going to take my can, follow the directions, let it dry. There, so it's dry. I'm now going to put the batting over it and it doesn't stick. I mean the fabric over it and it doesn't stick. I'm going to now iron it down. And you can see it's sticking. My iron is it's very cool iron, so I can turn it up and it will stick. And it's a permanent stick. It's going to make machine quilting a breeze because it's not going anywhere. There we go. With 606, I can make any batting, fusible batting on one side or the other anytime I want. So I won't run out of fusible batting ever again as long as I have my 606 on hand. For more quilty goodness, subscribe to my newsletter at debbiebrownquilts.com and follow me on all social media as Debbie Brown Quilts.